How to earn interest on your MTN mobile money. Any video ni me ba be show e kwan a obefa so anya interest o mobile money so. Ba be show this simple code a o dial a MTN be credit to account every month for interest a ubenya o mobile money so. Me first akonya we so Astro so obe like, comment and subscribe so de be am dropping new video bi a unsabeka. Intino yense emre no yensha se. Ubi build dialer no about *595# *595# no a dial it. O dial ya omo prompt ne beba. Do you wish to receive interest on your mobile money wallet? Inti yebeko yes and then number 1 no me number 1 so send. Until now I will say you are already enjoying interest on your mobile money wallet. Thank you. Inti say we ya would the amesro so obey dial is out could we say the bear in benefit from MTN. Intimate say obey like a video now subscribe say the bear posting new video be on Sabeka. Thank you.